Crispy, spicy, full of flavors. Is this baby corn and capsicum fry starter a recipe you must try? For the crunchy baby corn and capsicum fry, I have taken here 2 packs of baby corn. We'll wash them well and cut them into 1-inch size pieces. You can choose to cut the baby corn into smaller pieces, but it depends upon how you wish. Next, we'll boil them for just about 2 to 3 minutes. We'll not cook them fully as later we'll be frying them. After boiling, we'll strain the water and pat them dry. Next, we will add about 3 to 4 tablespoons of corn flour and coat them well. Now I am using a ladle to mix the corn flour into the baby corn. You can also use your hands, and remember, the corn flour should get fully coated in the baby corn. Only then we will get the required crispiness. Now we will deep fry the baby corn and set them aside. We'll move to tossing the vegetables and the baby corn. I'm going to take here a pan and adding 2 teaspoons of oil, and once it's very hot, we will add 2 teaspoons of chopped garlic and ginger. We'll saute it for a few minutes and then add 2 tablespoons of chopped French onions. And next, we're going to add here chopped green chilies, and along with it, I'll also add capsicum cut into cubes. I've taken here red capsicum. We'll saute for a few minutes. Add salt and pepper to taste. Add 2 teaspoons of soya sauce, 1 teaspoon of red chili sauce, and 1 teaspoon of tomato sauce. We'll mix the sauces well. And next, I'll add the fried baby corn and mix all the vegetables and the fried baby corn together and really give them a very good toss. And once that is done, our awesome Asian starter is ready. I must say that this starter is a bomb.